case of my own death, my son Thomas will fulfill my promise to you.
Forgive me, it's correct signature of your father?
It is. Should I address you then as Isa or Ivan?
Isa is my Muslim name, and I like it.
But not the one your father gave.
My mother was Chechen. I wish her with their help to make an honorable life in Hamburg.
Very good. But first, you understand there are some questions of fact. I bring your attention to the matter of the instrument. May I ask how you came to be in possession of this?
It's given to me by my father's lawyer.
So it seems